Well, good morning, everybody. Grace and peace to you from our Lord Jesus Christ and all the saints here in sunny Central California. I haven't had coffee this morning. Can you tell? Oh, it's fairly early. It's about 8 o'clock here, um, and I have not had coffee or breakfast or anything. So if I'm a little tongue-tied, I apologize. So I thought I'd start off with. I've noticed in a lot of the comments, there's a lot of negative Nellies out there. So I thought talk a little bit about what this channel is and what it is not. I'll start with what it is not first. So what this channel is not is a tutorial. I'm not going to teach network administration on this channel. So if you came here looking for that, you're not going to find it. And let's see, what were the other negative comments I got? Oh yeah, some guy said he just wasted 6 minutes of his life. Yeah, well, you did that, not me. Yeah, if you're looking for an in-depth review on Extreme Networks, you're not going to find it here. I use Extreme Networks, but again, this is not a tutorial channel. I'm not going to show you how to in-depth. I might talk about commands and, simple, quick things, but I'm not going to go into in-depth on theory or anything like that. Let's see, what was the other one? People keep asking me how to get certified. I don't know. I'm not certified. I've gotten to where I am. I've had certifications over the years. I was an MCSE. I was a CCNA. Those have all lapsed. I haven't been certified in years. Where did I get my training? Off the streets. I'm largely self-taught. I did not go into any classes on being a network administrator. Basically all on-the-job training. Learning it myself, getting books, and now that we have YouTube, I do a lot of YouTube surfing to figure things out. Because I don't believe in reinventing the wheel. See, here's a little secret that it took me a while to learn. Maybe you guys are smarter than me and you already know this, but whatever problem you run into, whatever issue you're having on your network or with your computer or whatever, somebody else has already had it and figured it out and put it on the internet so they could brag about it, which is awesome because that means I don't have to figure it out. I can go through any of 100 different solutions and see if one of those will work for me, which is a good thing. Don't get me wrong, that's a good thing. So I'm glad those are out there. But, people ask me, how do I get my CCNA? Or where can I get CCNA training? Your best friend is this search bar that's right up here somewhere. As you're watching this video, there is a YouTube search bar up there. You go up there and type CCNA, and you'll get lots of different. You'll get full free CCNA courses on the internet. So if you don't want to pay, and you're patient, you can watch it. Well, here I typed it earlier just to see, and get rid of the glare. But there you can see. Get my mouse going. There are tons of results for CCNA tutorials. Lots of people out there wanting to teach, and they're all probably very good at it, which is why I am not going to teach anything, because I know I am not a teacher. So I've been telling you what this channel is not. What is this channel? This channel is basically just my experience of being a network administrator. What is it that I run into? What's it really like? It's not hardcore programming routes and VLANs every day. It's not always, configuring new switches every day. I do help desk work, a lot of the time. I'd say probably at least 30% of the time I'm doing help desk work. So, and that's a good point. People are saying, well, how can I get into being, get into IT? How can I get into being a network administrator? Well, probably your best bet is the same way I did it. I can only speak about what I did, right? So your best bet could be what I did. My best bet was that way. And what did I do? I started out in the help desk. Um, I don't have any degrees in electronics. It was just all largely self-learned. Um, Electronics. My degree actually is in electronics. I don't have any degree in computers or networking. I have an electronic engineering degree. Don't use it. Um, yeah, so start out in the help desk. You know, keep watching the videos, keep reading the books on networking, and talk to the networking folks at your where you work and see if there's anything you can do to help them, or just express your interest in it. They'll probably blow you off the first couple of times you do, but if you're persistent and you keep telling them and keep after it, they're going to get the idea. Hey, well, maybe this guy, this gal, they really are interested in this. Let's see what they can do. Maybe not, but maybe. You know. So again, best way to break into IT is through a help desk or through a temp agency, Robert Half, or some similar agency like that. Because the nice thing about Robert Half is they test you, and not because they're going to say no, you're not going to do this work, but they test you to see what they can send you out on, and they send you out on things that they know you can do. So they don't want to set you or themselves up for failure. So, and Robert Half is just an example. There are others out there. Robert Half is big in our area. So yeah, that's it. This is just all about my experience. I can only tell you what I know. I am testifying what I know, and what my path has been in networking. And mine has been very long. Hopefully yours won't take as long as mine did. I've been working as an adult in jobs at work for 33, 34, 35 years now. So to get where I am today, it literally took 35 years. And I don't say that to discourage you, because it's certainly easy to get here a lot faster than I did. Especially somebody who's motivated. I didn't start out wanting to be a network administrator. I just kind of slipped into it sideways, pretty much, because I just wanted to work. I was whichever way the current was blowing or flowing. That's the way I went. I just wanted a job, and to support my family, number one, and my airplane addiction, number two. And to God's glory, actually, 0.001. That's the first thing. It's always about God. So doing the right thing. So anyway, I'm going to keep it short because there's really nothing that went on this week. I was in training for most of the week, project management training. I am not a project manager. Found out. I was in a class with a bunch of project managers, and they love that. They love managing projects. I do not love managing projects. But as with anything, there's always a few little tidbits you can get out of anything, even if it doesn't apply directly to your job. So anytime you can get training, go get it. Yeah, so there's some concepts I can use, some, being organized and, creating scopes of work and that sort of thing. It's, yeah, okay. I can probably use that. But, yeah, I'm not going to go over what the class is about, because that's really not what I'm about, and that's not what this channel is about. And then the one day that I was at work this week, literally nothing happened. I mean, literally nothing. I had one ticket that I closed, and that was it all day. It was really weird. It's like if you're a sailor, you get into the what they call the horse latitudes, and the wind just stops blowing. That's what it was like. It was just a dead calm at work. The phone wasn't ringing. The tickets weren't coming in. It was a little spooky, actually. So, did I miss the rapture? Ah! Oh, well. So that's it. I'll keep it short this week because there's really not that much there. I just want to address some of the comments I've been getting. Some of the negativity out there. Dude, if you don't like my channel, don't watch it. Nobody's forcing you to sit there and watch it. Click over to something more exciting. Again, this is just for people that are considering this field and what it's really like. And yeah, you can see how boring it really is. So anyway, as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying it or at least tolerating it, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell if you want to know when I put these up. And have a great week. And as always, God bless.